What's up, guys? We are in the Luxor Hotel here in Vegas, and I actually just did the whole maintenance of, fixing my hair, getting a shape up. So I decided to actually record it and show you guys the process of going from that to this. Hey, Giselle. We're gonna put in some work, start working on fixing all this. This is the shampoo, conditioner time.
That's shampoo. That is shampoo.
Alright. Another shampoo.
He put like, oh my god, what shampoo?
Conditioner and untangling time.
That's 4.
I'm thinking about staying like this. What y'all think? Now she's parting the braid.
Here's the final hairstyle. So braided style. 3 buns.
Now it's time for the clothes. Time for the shape up. Now she's doing the back because I can't reach. Wish me luck.